Hi, Miss Aubrey. I have made you your very own Screenomatic tutorial on how to get started with your Google Slides song pages. So just follow along with me, and you can review this as many times as you want. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out and then use this as your guide to build the rest of your song pages. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is within your Drive, you go right over here to the Google Apps icon, click on it. You're going to open up Slides, then Blank, and as soon as, there we go, it's finished loading now. Then, of course, please make sure that you play around with this. You pick whatever kind of backgrounds that you would like. I'm going to show you a finished version after we're done with this so you can have another idea of what this looks like. But let's just go ahead and start with the backgrounds. And we'll pick a dark gray for right now just to show you. And then we're going to write, I love letters. Title, we're going to change that color. There we go. We're going to get rid of the subtitle. And we're just going to move this right up and center that. There we go. Alright, so here's just a basic page. And then now we're going to add icons to it, and then I'm going to show you how to do quick links. That way, when you are having your whole group time or transition time, you can easily just pull up your Google presentation, and all of your different song pages can be in one area. That way, it's at the click of a button. So let's go ahead and insert image. If you have some that you specifically want to save, then you can upload it from your computer. But if not, you just go to the search the web, and we'll put in school bus clip art. I like using clip art instead of real photos just for my song pages, and then other times that natural or real photograph is better than the illustration. You click and simply hit insert. I'm going to scale down the size because I know that you picked a lot of songs, so we need a lot of spots for icons. So we're going to put that there, and then insert again. I'm going to put globe, again, click art. I love this one. It's my favorite. Insert. And again, scale down the size. Wonderful. And we'll do one more. I'm going to put in dinosaur icon instead of clip art and see what happens. Sometimes I like the look of an icon better than clip art, and so I like to go back and forth between these. I like the way this looks. Insert. And scale. Alright, so there's just 3 different clip art images. Now let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to link them. But before I do, I'm going to open up another browser so you can see all my browsers here up top. And I'm going to go to viewpure.com. Always go to ViewPure to get your YouTube videos. That way that you can bypass all of the advertisements, and you can ensure that there's not any inappropriate material that may accidentally come up within the video or before or after the video when watching it. So you have a lot of Jack Hartman, so we are going to just simply put in Jack Hartman, say it. That's all I'm going to put in to see if it will just pull it on that, and it should. And you hit purify. And sure enough, all of these Jack Hartmans. So I'm going to click on one to make sure that it is the one that I'm looking for. Jack Hartman! Can't see the This is the correct one. So then up into my taskbar, I'm going to highlight, Control C to copy. I'm going to head back over to my Google slide page. I'm going to click on an icon, and I can do one of two things. I can either do Control K to automatically open up a link for this, or I go to Insert and Link, and there it is, a reminder, Control K. We'll do this way first, and then we'll make another one. And I've already copied it, so now I just simply Control V, paste, and sure enough, my View Pure comes up, and I apply. And there it is. So when you toggle over it, or I'm sorry, when you touch it, when you click on it, then the reminder comes up that there is a link on it. This is not within Presentation View. You will not see this when you put it on Presentation View, and I will show you that in just a moment. So now let's go ahead and go back to View Pure, and let's put in another one. Let's go back. And we're going to put in Alphabet Zoo. And there we are. Let's go ahead and click to double check it's the one we want. Jack Hartman! Can't see the channel! Alphabet Zoo. And looks like a great one. So again, highlight the taskbar, the search engine bar, excuse me, Control Copy, back to your presentation. I'm going to touch the dinosaur, and this time I'm going to just hit Control K. The link ready for you to put in your link automatically pops up. Then Control V and apply. So now let's go to, let's title this song page. Just a moment. I hit print. There we go, sorry about that. Song page. Alright, now we're going to go to View, Present, and then, so this is what it will look like for your students. Then when you simply click on this, it will automatically take you to what you want, without the advertisement, without any worries of any inappropriateness. And then you are good to go. Then you would just exit out, and it goes right back to your presentation. I want to show you what it looks like of something that was completely done. And there we are. I love letters, and each icon would go to a different song. That way they're all there and you wouldn't have to keep searching. Alright, if you have any more questions, please feel free to ask. I love using technology like this to work with my classroom, so I hope you find this useful.